This is a video that I didn't really want to be making. I've broken my BMW M135I. I've blown up the engine, guys, and it sounds terrible. And today I'm going to try diagnose what that is, but it sounds like the engine has gone completely. But if you don't already know, this is my 2016 BMW M135I. The car is stage 2 remapped. So I went to a car meet for the first time in like 3-4 years, because I haven't been. And on the way back, I think I hit some rolling launch in first gear, which was stupid of me. And the car seemed a bit weird, but like I didn't hear the noise after because I went straight on the motorway. And I was on the motorway for about 20 minutes. On the motorway, the car drove absolutely fine. And when we got off the motorway, we heard this like knocking sound. And my heart just dropped and I was like, oh my God, what the hell is that? And then the car kind of like bogged down and misfired a little bit, and then it came back to life and was driving normal. And then we started hearing that tick, 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 ticking noise. So we pulled over, gave the engine a rev, and yeah, the engine has gone, guys. So the car's gonna do a cold start. I'm kind of scared to do the cold start, but it's gonna sound terrible. But let me open the engine so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I'm just about to do the cold start, so have a listen to the engine. So the engine doesn't sound that bad on cold start, but when I give it a rev, you're gonna hear what the engine sounds like, and it does not sound good. I'm waiting for cold start to stop now. But yeah, guys, my poor car, man, my poor car. So the cold start is now complete. Let me give the car a rev so you can hear what the engine sounds like. And as you guys can hear, the engine sounds bad, man. And my car is regularly serviced with the best engine oil. So servicing isn't an issue. I just made a mistake of doing rolling launch in first gear, then hit the limiter, and obviously that's just done something. So what I think it is I think it's rod knock, but I'm gonna do some more investigating to see what it could be, but the engine sounds effed. So I wanna hear if that ticking's top end or bottom end, so I'm gonna use this to put in the accelerator to rev the car. So that's now revving the car. Let's hear, is that from the top end or bottom end? Yeah, not sure, guys. I'm actually not sure. Not gonna lie, it just sounds like the whole engine. I can't tell if it's the top end or the bottom end. I can't tell at all. So guys, I can't tell what it is. The whole engine is making a noise. So I can't tell, is it the top end? Is it the bottom end? I don't know. I just can't tell. Guys, it looked like it actually might be the cams. That cam isn't spinning right. Oh my God, the car's about to turn off. Looking at that, I think I've bent the cams. Both the cams are moving like that. I think I've bent the cams. I'm gonna plug in my diagnostic tool that I bought from TOPDON to see if there's any fault codes, but there isn't an engine light on the dashboard. There isn't any notifications of anything wrong with the engine, but obviously you can hear that the engine is. So let's plug this in. Let's put the ignition on. So I've been thinking about doing a B58 swap on this. Obviously it's gonna be quite a lot of work to do it, but if this video does well, then I probably will do it. If the video doesn't do well, then I probably won't do it. I would actually love to do an M5 engine in here. I've seen one of these with an M5 engine, but I don't think that I could do that. I think I could do the M140i engine, but the M5 engine is probably out of my capacity, but I never know until I try. Just ran a diagnostic and these are the fault codes. So there is literally nothing to do with the engine realistically. It's just about air mass flow sensors. And tire pressures and voltage. Yeah, just on the phone to my mate, innit? So explain to them what happened that night, bro.
Oh man,
when did you think it happened?
Rolling launch.
Yeah.
He banged it and it stuttered and then after that the revs sort of like just drop slowly.
Yeah.
And, yeah, we come to a stop and that noise, oh my god.
No, but the thing is, we went on the motorway straight after.
Yeah, you were on the motorway,
Like, so I didn't.
lucky enough you were cruising.
Yes, so I didn't get a chance. I didn't really get a chance to hear it then, innit? Because we did come to a stop, but I didn't hear it. And on the motorway, we cruised the whole time, so it was probably the first half on the way to the motorway.
We heard it, didn't we?
Yeah, as soon as we got off, it almost died, like at the traffic light. It almost like died and then misfired a little bit and then just came right back to life and was like normal, but we can hear that noise, man. My heart bloody dropped.
Hey mate, I felt so gutted for you.
No, it's bad because it's not like it's like a little Corsa, yeah, but I could just go buy a cheap Porsche engine in and out in like a day, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, I mean, I don't know what to do. I'm in two minds, yeah. I don't know. The B58 swap, yeah, we're going to have to get the wiring loom and all of that stuff.
I'll rebuild it with your big turbo.
I don't think I can afford big turbo at this point. I could probably just about afford the bloody internals for the forging, but yeah. It's either that, forge it or B58 swap. One of them two.
Just get it forged.
But what I think it is, yeah, I think it's rod knock with also some top end shit as well. Because I've heard some cars on YouTube and it sounds the exact same with rod knock, but like mine sounds way worse than they do.
Yeah,
that's the thing.
On a cam.
Yeah, so I think it's probably cam and rod knock as well.
Yeah.
That's terrible, man. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, because in the next video I'm going to be stripping this engine apart and seeing what the issue is with the car. So make sure you drop me a follow, like, comment, share the video. It's now the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you can follow this build and see what I do to my BMW M135i. And comment down below what you guys think that I should do.